Now let's look at how to program the auto-attended messages. Go to the installer portal and go to the page Auto Attendant under System Settings. System Settings, Auto Attendant. On the top left hand corner of this page is a drop down list which allows you to enable or disable the auto attendant. The 300 messages of the auto attendant are listed on this page and on subsequent pages. Each message has a unique name and internal number which is used to identify the message and to route external calls to the message. 3 auto-attendant message names are programmed by default. These are the welcome message, the hold message, and the greeting and clear message, and subsequent messages are also given default names. The messages are recorded using an operator system phone. Alternatively, you can load a pre-recorded WAV file for each message. So, as we go across the columns here, we see the message names, which have a maximum of 20 characters. Next is the message duration. This is the length of the recorded auto-attended message. By default, there are no pre-recorded messages. Here we have some controls for each message. These buttons allow you to play the recorded auto-attended messages, delete them, or to upload new messages. Pressing the play button downloads the recorded message WAV file for playing or saving to a backup location. The output file is G711. The current message must be deleted before a new message can be recorded or uploaded. This is the unique internal number of the auto-attendant message, which is used to identify it and to route external calls to the message. By default, the message numbers start at 7000 and run to 7299. It is possible to change the default message numbers, but it's not recommended that you do this, as it can lead to internal conflicts in the numbering plan, causing calls to be lost. Next is a delay timer. You may delay the start of the auto-attendant message by setting this timer. During the delay period, the incoming call will ring the assigned user or group as defined in the ringing assignment. If the call is not picked up by an assigned user at the end of the delay period, it will be answered by the auto-attendant message. Next is a column Ring Assigned Users. When the auto-attendant message is being played to an incoming caller, the assigned user or group will continue to ring while the message is playing if this box is ticked. Next is the digit assignment. An auto-attendant message may prompt a caller to dial digits to select various options to route the call. The response of the auto-attendant to a digit dialed is programmed here under this digits link, and we'll look at that in the next section. Last is a queue tick box. The auto-attendant can be programmed to play a hold message to callers who are waiting in a contact center call queue and to repeat this hold message at a regular interval. Each time the hold message is played to a caller, a queue message can be added at the end of the hold message, advising the caller of their position in the queue. To activate queue messages for a particular auto-attendant message, tick the queue box here. The queue messages themselves are managed on a different page under System Settings. In the next step, we'll look at how to program the digit assignment.